Cooling system leaks can be difficult to find sometimes. After the engine has cooled down, the cooling system is not under pressure, and quite often the leak is stopped. This universal pressure test kit from LaserTools works in conjunction with the LaserTools pressure pump to locate cooling system leaks from the header or expansion tank, head gasket, radiator core, heater matrix, water pump, hoses and pipes. The tester is fitted to the filler cap neck and then adjusted to expand the seal. The pressure pump is hand operated and includes an accurate gauge that measures both PSI and bar. Now let's see the tester in action. Remove the cap and fit the tester into the filler neck. This filler neck is quite wide, so we fit one of the 3 expandable rubber collars to take up the slack. Adjust the tester to get a tight, snug fit. Fit the pump to the tester, then apply pressure. Pump until pressure is approximately 10 to 15 psi. That's all that's needed. As you can see, the pointer is falling. This indicates a leak in the cooling system. The remaining pressure in the system helps us find the leak. With the expanding seal adjustment and the 3 additional rubber collars, the pressure tester can be fitted to a great number of vehicles and is a very useful aid in tracking these elusive cooling system leaks. Available now from your LaserTools stockist. For screw-on type filler caps, please use the LaserTools 5614 Cooling System Pressure Test Kit.